Did you know the legend of Boudicca's deadly war chariots has been wildly exaggerated over time? Popular myths claim her Celtic warriors used chariots with spinning scythe blades that could slice through Roman legs. But here's the shocking truth. No archaeological evidence supports this at all. Real Celtic chariots were actually mobile platforms for warriors to leap off and fight on foot. The scythe chariot myth comes from confusion with ancient Persian designs used centuries earlier. What Boudicca's forces actually relied on was pure Celtic fury and superior knowledge of local terrain. At Camulodunum and Londinium in 61 CE, they devastated Roman settlements through surprise attacks and overwhelming numbers. No spinning blades needed, just strategic brilliance and righteous anger. The real innovation was how Celtic warriors used chariots for rapid deployment, not as killing machines. Sometimes the truth is more impressive than the legend. Boudicca nearly drove Rome from Britain using tactics, not fantasy weapons.